Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. So from any screen, you have phone there and you've got settings or a cog there. Into phone. Settings for the phone is over here in the bottom right hand corner, so we'll click on settings, and then that's brought up paired phones and paired audio source, Barry's iPhone connected, and then there's another cog or picture of a cog there, so you click that. Disconnect phone or delete phone, delete phone. Delete device, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, whatever it's on, so nav there, and we need, you will be tempted to click this. That looks like a menu or the settings button, but what you have to do is go to phone. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's come straight up onto this screen. No phone connected, pair phone, yes. Start pairing phone or other Bluetooth device, vehicle device name, Uconnect, and let's just go back to that. Uconnect showed up here, pin is 8141, so we'll click on there, and we'll click accept. Now, it's generated a random pin, so you don't need that 8141. So we'll click pair there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow Bluetooth pairing in progress. It's showing it's connected there. My watch has just buzzed, which usually means that the phone's connected. Bluetooth pairing successful, Barry's iPhone 12. This device supports audio and phone. Okay, that's it. And it's also saying to talk to Siri, press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel, like so. So again, you can make calls, you can tell your phone to do anything, to play stuff. But I'll just show you how to play audio now. So if you go to your music like so, just click on that, click there, turn it down. At the bottom you see there, iPhone, Uconnect, there's a tick. That means anything that plays on this phone, any audio, if you have that set right, it will play through the system. Now, onto media. It's already playing there, look. As tears go by, as tears go by. If it's not playing, for instance, that could have been set to Bluetooth. So we'll go back to media. We want this to play. Let's see, just go back to something else. So phone. So we want this to play on here. So we go to media, select source, click Bluetooth. That's it. When I turn this up, I'll turn it up here. When I turn it up here, that's it playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. From any screen, onto nav. You've got the choice there, where to, view map. If you just want to see what's coming ahead of you, click on view map and you'll be able to see where the road bends. But click on where to. We want the address, spell out town, enter postcode, enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley Preston. No, we're not, we've moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. Now we may have to put a space in here because it's only 2 digits, but we'll see. 4EA. That's it, PR5 4EA. Select that to confirm that it's the address you wanted, and you don't need to go back. It's just calculating now. I have to say it's taking its time.
The route is being calculated.
And that's it. We'll click yes. That's it done. If you want to stop the navigation, all you do, onto menu, and there you go, stop. Stop all. Do you want to stop the navigation? Yeah. So you've got to tell it 3 or 4 times, but eventually it'll stop. That's it. Thanks for watching.